Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, March 5th. We're seeing sunny skies out there and slightly breezy conditions. We are currently under a wind advisory for some wind gusts around 25 knots. We did see a chilly low this morning of 29 degrees, and we're going to continue to see some below average temperatures over the next several days. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have this high pressure dropping down from Canada that's starting to build into the eastern third of the country, and then off of the map here, way across the northeastern Canada, we have this deep low, and we're caught between that tight pressure gradient between these two features, and that's helping to give us those gustier winds this morning. We should continue to see some wind gusts to around 25 knots until mid to late afternoon, and then they'll be relaxing tonight, and we'll see some more tranquil conditions, albeit cold, over the next several days. Let's take a look at our satellite across the region. Due to that high pressure building in and some rather dry conditions in the lower levels, we aren't going to see any clouds today. Going to continue to see completely sunny skies, as well as those chillier temperatures, only expecting the high to get into the low to mid 40s this afternoon. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds running around 25 knots up through about 6,000 feet, then increasing to around 45 knots at the 9,000 foot level, then shifting a little more west-northwesterly above there at 55 knots at 12,000 feet, all the way up to just under 110 knots at the 25,000 foot level this morning. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to see a high of around 43 degrees this afternoon. Northwesterly winds are going to continue to be slightly gusty today, especially during the morning hours here, and then this afternoon becoming 12 to 17 knots and gusty, and they should fall off quite a bit after sunset, and then overnight expecting northwesterly winds around 6 to 11 knots, and we are expecting another chilly morning tomorrow with a low of 28 degrees, which is several degrees below average for this time of year. We are going to continue to see those clear skies tonight as well, and then maybe seeing a couple clouds in the area by mid-morning tomorrow. Going to be expecting a few clouds at 3,000 feet, a few at 25,000 by 8 a.m. Tomorrow morning. We are still seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Taking a look at our long-range weather model here, let's scroll through tonight and into tomorrow. You can see that high pressure that we showed on that surface analysis starting to build more into the mid-Atlantic region tomorrow, and that will help to really relax that pressure gradient. So not expecting any gusty winds as we go into tomorrow, and then that high pressure will continue to slowly build eastward over the northeastern United States, and giving us some tranquil conditions for Saturday and Sunday. That cold air mass really settles across the area on Sunday, so it's going to be rather chilly out there, but shouldn't really be too much wind, very light wind or calm at times for Sunday. And then as we go into Sunday night, that high pressure is going to be settled right over the mid-Atlantic. Should set up for some good radiational cooling. I expect some lows in the mid to low 20s for Monday morning. But then as we go into Monday afternoon, that high pressure is going to shift to the southeast and start to build across the southeast portion of the country. That should help to start to slowly moderate temperatures as we go in the beginning of next week. And as we progress into Tuesday here, you can see that high really starting to expand across the southeastern United States. And that's going to give us much more milder temperatures. And by middle to late next week, should be seeing temperatures perhaps even several degrees above average, seeing some highs return into the mid-60s by the end of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, expect a high of 43 today, low of 28 tonight with a high of 47 tomorrow. Sunday is going to be a little chillier with a high of 44 and that low of 26, and we're expecting the coldest morning to likely be Monday with that good radiational cooling setup with calm winds, no clouds, as that high settles directly overhead, and then expecting temperatures to start to moderate a little bit Monday afternoon with a high of 49, and then you see those temperatures back into the 60s on Tuesday, and you'll see those low temperatures slowly increasing as well, and by Thursday we're going to see those lows back into the mid-40s, and then seeing highs in the mid-60s for Thursday, and possibly even a little bit warmer than that as we go into next weekend. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.